Okay, welcome. Um, now, uh, just hearing myself. Hang on a second. Don't want to hear myself talk. All right, so we are back this morning, and for another day of trading. Now, there's been a slight change in my positions, so I decided to put stop loss on last night before I went to sleep. Now, normally I wouldn't put a stop loss on the first position I'm trying to build on. So, unfortunately, it hit that stop loss and sold out my silver because silver decided to drop quite a bit. More so than. Let me have a look. I think it was more so than gold, or was it about the same? It was about the same, but my gold didn't sell. No, it was. Hang on. What am I doing? I just got up, so I haven't even taken a sip of my coffee yet. Let's have a look. What's going on? Oh dear. Yeah, definitely haven't had my coffee yet. Haven't even turned everything on yet. But yeah, as you can see, here we go. Gold was pretty steady, but silver dropped, which is annoying because I really wanted to hold on to that silver position. I've lost that now. I don't think it's going back to that amount. So, but I did sell. I think it was. Let's have a look. Give me 1 second. Let me just quickly make sure everything is turned on before we keep going. Okay, there we go. Bit of fishing. We'll do some fishing on Twitch. Please go ahead. Alright, I think we're good now. So as you can see, the silver is smaller than it was yesterday. That's because it triggered a sell order. Now let's have a look at that sell order for a second. There it is. $34. I made for $34.14. Now, as I was saying, I don't usually put a stop loss on my trades. I like to call them my base trades, where I'm establishing a floor. But I did only because we are starting with only $3,000, and I don't have the margin to cover any losses. Like if I lose any more money than I already have, it's gonna become really hard to take off and make that 100k. That's why I put a stop loss on it. Not happy it actually did it. I honestly thought the stop loss I had on my gold, which was to sell at $143, would be the one to go, but that's okay. That's good. I don't mind, because it just means, well, the gold is going to make us more money anyway. So I've rebought into silver at a new position. Not putting a stop loss on it at the moment. Maybe down the track. So what that means is what's that mean? It's possible. Well, originally I thought the gold. What did I say? The silver was gonna probably hit my target before my golds, but now it could be about the same time that gold and silver hit my target. So I'm gonna have to be careful on what I choose, what I buy, because I don't think I have enough margin yet to be able to buy two big positions. Alright, we'll see what happens. Oh, man. Just gonna drink my coffee here. Yum yum. Now, we've got about what is it? Is it 2 hours before Asia wakes up? That's my alarm to tell me to get out of bed. Sorry, alarm, I beat you to it. What am I doing here? Just checking my messages. Okay, let's put that over here. So yes, so I bought a new position in silver because I got sold out. Sold out's not the right word, but it's still too early for me to be talking. Five, 6 hours sleep is enough, right? I don't need more sleep. Hey, at least I'm not yawning anymore. I was, you watch, I'm going to yawn now. Shouldn't have said that. Let's have a look. Where are I? Yeah. Refresh that. Alright, let's have a look. So as you can see, the hourly is looking pretty good. We want that to go, keep going up. Where is... Alright, let's look at the... Let's make it interesting. Let's change that to 5 minutes and see where we're at. There you go, there's the 5 minute chart. Now where was that drop here? There you go, last night at about 2:30 is when it happened, and still was okay up until an hour later at 3:30, 3:45, 3:30, 3:40. It took another plunge, which triggered my sell position. Bastards, I'll get you next time. That's right, we didn't lose any money, which is the main thing. We are still going strong with our peanuts. Let's have a look here. Where is that? What is that? I'm going to do some fishing, some early morning fishing. Let's see what I can catch this morning. What did I get? What did I get? A bike? What the hell? Oh my god. Well, that's not a good start. Ah well. At least I got a bike now. Go for a ride. Oh dear. I forgot to. There we go. I still got to fix my automatic messages though. It's very annoying. That's alright. No one really in the stream, so don't have to worry too much. Oh yes, forgot to start with my morning message of yeah, this is just my personal journey. I'm not giving financial advice. It's just general information, education, call it what you want. I'm not telling you when or what to buy or to sell or whatever. This is strictly just my journey where I'm going to be documenting turning, in this case, $3,000 into $100,000, which is doable within 2 months, which is very doable because I've done it twice already. So I'm just going to be showing you the steps I take. You are responsible for your own finances, financial situation. So you got to do your research, got to do whatever it is you need to do to make informative decisions. So yeah, while you're here, while we are watching these exciting charts, you can do some fishing. All you gotta do is type I can never say that word. Exclamation here we go, exclamation mark fish. Type that in and cast your reel, see what comes out. Let's see if you can get an epic fish maybe. I don't know if there's legendary ones in there. Let's have a look. I'm just going to quickly that's right, there wasn't anything sensitive on that setting, so that's good. Dear. I'll turn that off. Stats. Leaderboard. Alright, if we type in leaderboard on Twitch, it will tell us, oh, look at that. Red belly and me. That's some epic. Oh, there's a rare fish. Look at that. Trolley. Nice. Very nice. Okay. If you're feeling generous, there are my links, my tip links. If you're feeling generous to support the channel. Alright, let's have a look. So let's get out of 5 minutes for a second, because I want to know what the future holds. So gold, even yesterday, was just, as you can see, bouncing along, not going anywhere, which is good, because it's better than it dropping. Still waiting for that big jump when everyone starts just pumping gold. Let's have a look at the silver. Not happy with silver this morning, but it is what it is. Look at that big dip. Ah, you son of a bitch. Guess we didn't really lose too much. I mean, it would have been nice to have that extra $300 there, but I'd rather, as I said, I'd take profit and not a loss. So that means, so as you can see, we started this week with $2,903, if I'm reading that correctly. Where is it? $2,903. Okay, so yeah, that's good. We're gonna see. We'll wait till the end of the week. Actually, probably wait till Monday to see where we are standing. I'll be back in a second. And I am back. Alright, where was I? Oh yeah, I was looking at the hourly. So we still got a bit of time before Asia opens, so that's good. Should see an upswing of gold and silver. So at the moment we won't see much action. Or maybe another next couple of hours we'll see some movement, hopefully. If you're watching my stream, welcome to the stream. This is just for educational purposes, so not giving out any financial advice, just documenting my journey in trading. Oh. If you're joining me on the Twitch platform, don't forget you can do some fishing while we're waiting for the market to work its magic. All you do is type in fish in Twitch. And if you something good. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Old PC. Oh shit, okay. That's actually worth something. Nice. It's not classed as junk, I'm guessing. An epic old PC, wow. Oh, that's funny. That is funny. Good job. Good job, me. Now, while I'm sitting here, what I might do is watch some videos on the market, see what's been happening in the last day or so. Just going to double check, make sure that doesn't come through on the stream. Okay, that's good. Doesn't look like it's coming through. Alright, so I'm going to watch some videos here on the stock market. And I might talk about it a bit. So I watch a channel called ITM Trading Inc. And it looks like, let's have a look, when was this done? So 5 hours ago. The first bank failure of 2026 is here, and it could be just the beginning. Okay. Wow, I'm going to watch that. That seems very critical to what's happening around the world. Let's see. Alright, what do we got? If you do jump on, don't forget to have a chat. Got any questions that are non-financial related? Happy to answer them. So while we're watching this, just looking, I'm thinking, where are we with gold? What are we sitting on here? 49.36. All right. I reckon could get. It's definitely on the upward trend. I reckon we're looking at, I don't know, 49800. I reckon we can get up here. 4,980, I think, is the next. Well, not the next level, but I think it'll definitely touch it. If we're lucky, it goes higher. But we can definitely, I think, get it up to that. All I need, let's have a look. Where's my gold? I bought it at 4795. So just going to change this to an hour. Okay, so I bought it at 4795, which is about here, just below my sell. So from there, so 4795. It's gone up. $795, really? Okay, so 200. So every 200. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I reckon 498, 4980. is where we can see it going, and at that point I will probably, well, we'll see how we go, but I still got to sell that 4.5 position. Just send a message. There we go. All right. Oh, a waiting game. Ugh. I think I need to find a little side activity to do. Maybe scrap some e-waste. I've been scrapping e-waste, getting all the gold off it. I'm going to melt it down, cash it in. I reckon I've got at least 10 grand. 10 grand worth. Quite the process. I'll see how I go. What are we up to? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday or Saturday. See where we are at with these prices, and we'll see how much margin I have by the end of the week. We'll see how much margin I have. At the moment, I've only got maybe $300 margin, which isn't much at all. I want to make sure I've got enough margin to buy in when I need to. I reckon come Friday, that gold position is going to hit 2000 level, a buy-in level basically, and I'll get another 5 units. I just hope silver, if silver jumps up as well by Friday and is close to the buy-in level, which is, I'm looking at about 1,000 profit before I buy in on that one. I'll buy another position. If that's at the buy-in level, on Friday, what I might do is throw in an extra $1,000 just so I can, just so I have the margin to actually buy it now, which would mean our $3,000 to 100K will turn into $4,000 to 100K, which is fine. I'm not cheating. Same shit. Same shit, different smell. And then once we've got those buying levels, once we've got those two new trades, the next, so when they start producing profit as well, so again, we're going to wait till it hits 2,000 for the gold, for the new buy-in, before we buy our next gold position, which we will then increase to 10 units. Same with the gold. Once we've got our two buy-in positions at 50 units each, we will switch it up to 100 units each. And then by the time we get to 20 units of gold and 20 units of gold and what's the one after? What's next? We go from 50 to 100. I don't know, I'll see, either 200 or 300 units of gold we'll start buying. And once we're in that position, I think we should be fine. We'll have quite a bit of margin built up to start really ramping it up. And then once our original orders start adding up to I just realised my bloody mic was off. Oh god, how long was that off for? Jesus. That's annoying. Six minutes. I had no sound for 6 minutes. Oh my god. That's so bad. I must have touched something on my headset. Oh. Stupid. Oh well. It's not like anyone's there anyway at the moment. Hoping someone will jump on just so I can have a chat to people. Always fun to do. Alright. I'm just going to check my emails, keep checking my emails while we're waiting for the market to move. As I was saying earlier, I can't remember now if, I don't know now if my mic was off or not, but yeah, I was saying I need to catch up on my emails. There we go, there's an important one. Just a reminder, can you please action? Yep, sure. Yesterday. Where is it? Here we go, policy. There we go, that's what I need. Cool. Director, very good. Insurance. Save. There we go. That's all done. Send an email off, and then that is all good. Reply. And attach. Documents, where is it? Files, insurance. And send. Alright. Alright, how we looking? What's time? 8:14. We've still got a bit of time before Asia wakes up. Okay, so what I might do is I'm going to stop the stream for a while and come back in about an hour when the market at the moment is closed for the moment on my side. No, not much point sitting here watching nothing happen. So, hope you enjoyed this the video. Do subscribe to see what I'm to be able to get your notifications to see when I'm streaming next. Don't forget, this is not financial advice. This is just my journey and about me trying to turn $3,000 into $100,000, which is doable. Done it twice already. Let's see if I can do it a third time. Alright, I will be back in about an hour. Hope you enjoy, and I'll see you all next time. See you later.